What's up, guys? Today is Monday, March 23rd. I'm just gonna do a quick recap today. Shit day. Let's just go over it real quick. We had like a 700 point move in the morning. Literally like 700 points, 750. I think Trump, something with Trump. I'm pretty sure it was something with Trump that made that move. But yeah, we ended up taking a 30-second long. Our open is like right here, and price was gonna either do two things. It was gonna rebalance into this gap, which was an hourly at the time. It wasn't a 4-hour gap yet, or it was gonna continue going up. And for some reason, I was aggressive today. Just a misplay. We moved 700 points, and I took 2 trades. The first one was good. The second one was just absolutely terrible, and that's what's going to keep me unprofitable, taking shit trades like the second one I took today. And yeah, let's just go deeper into the trade. Again, we start trending upwards after rebalancing a little bit, so I was more confident in longs and shorts. And I'd rather trade with the trend, especially after moving up 700 points. But in general, if we're moving up 700 points 2-3 hours before market, it's probably better to sit on my hands and watch price move, because there's going to be less delivery, there's going to be less volatility, because we broke out heavily this morning. So that automatically means price isn't going to move as well. But we make a 5-minute gap. We tap into the 5-minute gap. Again, nothing super clean. It was just, okay, big move, little rebalance, start trending upwards, and we're targeting this internal high right here. And if we go to our 30-second chart, we dump into the 5-minute pretty quickly, and we take out all of this resting liquidity here, and we have, within a minute, a pretty good displacement through. This is MNQ, but it does close on NQ as well. And yeah, right as we enter, we have good displacement through my break-even point, and I was very confident we were at least going to get to our break-even point, because we had some resting liquidity inside a 1-minute gap. I swear there was a 1-minute gap. Maybe it was 30-second. Maybe there was a 1-minute gap on NQ. I'm still kind of getting used to trade C, with like switching from NQ to MNQ, because I like being on MNQ because I can execute quickly, but NQ's also better when it comes to looking at gaps and shit like that. Whatever. It doesn't change anything in this scenario, but yeah, this is a break even. Don't hate it, but all we're doing is respecting a 5-minute gap, and it seems like I don't know where my fib is, but it's right at the 50% level here, and if we were going to be bullish, we were going to respect it. So yeah, it ends up hitting my break even and then getting smashed. And then, yeah, this is where I just make a terrible decision. If we go to our 1-minute chart, I went back to NQ at this point. Keep that where that is. I went back to NQ at this point. This 1-minute gap gets close through on NQ, and I take this actually just throw up setup. Like, this is just never working. This is a complete gamble. Like, there's no sweep here. And okay, yeah, we're targeting, I don't mind our targets today. Like, okay, if we're going to continue bullish, we're going to go up. But yeah, it was just a garbage play, and I just lose, and I deserve to lose. Yeah, and I deserve to lose. It's that simple. And I risked more than I would have wanted. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. This play should just not be taken ever. Again, like, this got closed on NQ, so it's not like there wasn't a closure, but still, complete garbanzo play. Garbanzo, like, if I'm on a live account, I know I'm not taking a play like that. In my head, like, my reasoning, okay, it's fucking an eval, so let's take a play. Let's take a play and gamble, but that's just not how it should be. Again, don't hate this first one. Respecting a 5-minute gap, 30-second closure. Maybe I would have liked a little more displacement through this 30-second gap, but it really was like, it took 1 minute to close back over this 25 points. But yeah, I guess that's it. We actually don't end up reaching this high. I'm not sure if we reach it on NQ. And then we did end up shooting for the rebalance today. Did we even? Okay, yeah, that's what makes the 4-hour gap. So tomorrow could be interesting. We have some nice targets for tomorrow. Again, all of this is getting ran either this week or next week. That's what I think, at least. But yeah, we have a 4-hour gap to bounce off of here. 4-hour gap is a target, and yeah, I'm gonna journal these trades, and pretty much yell at myself in my journal because I'm terrible. So we'll move on. Yeah, evals suck. Like, I want to be patient, but the voice in my head, the eval voice says, bro, it's an eval. Like, you're gonna, like, just take the trade, like, gamble, but it's just not how it should be. And yeah, I need to get funded soon because I've been on a very hot ass streak. Hot ass streak meaning hot dog water. But today, yeah, really bad day, unprofitable ass day. In general, I've learned a lot the last couple of months when it comes to my trading style. Yeah, I've definitely become a better trader in the last 3 months, but today doesn't prove that at all. But yeah, I guess just gotta lock in, take better trades. I say the same thing every time, but the journaling and the discipline will soon have an effect, I hope. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, see ya.